Hi. I don't really record a lot of these videos things. Yeah, it's pretty obvious. But I figured I'd do it in this case because, well, I have fun things to share. The 4th edition of Blender For Dummies, it exists. It's in meat space. It's in my hands. It has pages and they're filled with stuff. It's actually 560 pages, 21 chapters worth of information about Blender, and specifically the 2.8 version, or 2.8 and beyond, actually. All the new information about the whole Blender 2.8 series, the new stuff coming out within Blender, the whole new interface, all of the stuff. So if you're migrating from the older version of Blender over to the new release, or if you are coming from another program of some sort and you want to start playing with Blender, this might be a book that can help you do that. I think it will be pretty helpful. I've worked pretty hard on it, so I'm pretty proud of it. And it's available for purchase and reading and all that other good stuff. Anyway, thanks a lot. See you guys around.